The YouTube algorithm is not broken. It's doing exactly what it's designed to do. I'll explain it step by step to get more views. If you searched YouTube algorithm explained, this is for you. No myths, just how it really works. Let's start with the truth. The YouTube algorithm is simple. Its only job is to keep people watching longer. It doesn't care about subscribers or channel age. It only cares about viewer behavior. If people watch, YouTube promotes it. If they don't, it stops. That's the algorithm explained. The algorithm looks at three main things. Click-through rate, CTR. Do people click? That's your title and thumbnail. Watch time. How long do they stay watching? Longer watch time equals more promotion. Audience retention. Do people leave early? High retention tells YouTube your video is valuable. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. Here's why most creators fail. Weak hook, boring intros, no clear value. YouTube tests your video with a small audience. If they leave early, YouTube stops recommending it. Viewers kill videos, not the algorithm. To make the algorithm push your videos, hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. Tell them what they'll learn. Cut boring parts and tease what's coming. When viewers stay longer, YouTube pushes your video. That's how you win. Shorts and long videos use the same rule. Watch time matters. Use both to grow faster. Now you know how the YouTube algorithm works.